Most people think managing money is complicated. But what if I told you there's a simple formula that can completely transform your finances? It's called the 50-30-20th rule. And once you master it, you'll know exactly where every dollar should go without stress. Stick around, because I'm breaking it down step by step so you can start today. Welcome to Money Matrix, the place where we simplify personal finance so you can build wealth smarter and faster. In today's video, we'll walk through the 50-30-20 rule in detail, what it is, how to use it, and most importantly, how to adjust it to fit your life. Step 1. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting method that helps you manage your money without needing complicated spreadsheets. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings or debt repayment. This balance keeps your lifestyle comfortable while still building wealth. Step 2. The 50% needs. Needs are the essentials: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and minimum debt payments. These should never exceed 50% of your after-tax income. If they do, it's a signal to cut back or find ways to increase your income. Step 3. The 30% wants. Wants are the fun stuff: dining out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies, or travel. This category should be capped at 30%. Spending here is okay, as long as it doesn't eat into your savings. The trick is enjoying life without letting wants control your paycheck. Step 4. The 20% savings and debt. This is the most important part. At least 20% of your income should go into savings, investments, or paying off debt faster. Think emergency funds, retirement accounts, index funds, or extra payments toward high-interest loans. This 20% is what builds long-term wealth and financial freedom. Step 5. Adjusting the rule to your life. Here's the truth. The 50-30-20 rule is a starting point, not a rigid law. For example, if your needs take up more than 50%, cut wants down to 20%. Or if you're saving aggressively for a house, push savings to 30%. The power is in making this rule fit your situation while keeping the balance. Let's recap. The 50-30-20 rule allocates every dollar to a specific purpose: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. It's simple, flexible, and one of the smartest ways to take control of your money. If this breakdown helped you see your money in a new way, hit that like button and share this video with a friend who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Matrix for more smart strategies to build wealth and freedom. Remember, the sooner you start managing money smarter, the faster your financial future grows.